Hi, so this is my code. I'm running my code. First, I ask the input of 1, 2, or 3. I enter 1. In the first file, it plots stem leaf. 2. The second file, stem leaf plot. 3. Third file, stem leaf plot. If I enter 4, invalid input, please enter the correct file. If I enter 0, it should exit. In my code, I have one main function in which we can access all the other functions. So the first function is get input function, where we get the input from the user. Next is the read file function, where we read the file and load the numbers into a variable. Then there is a get stem leaf function, where we separate the stems and leaves from the numbers. Then there is a plot stem function, where we plot the separated stem and leaf in the correct sequence order. And then there is the final print result function, where we print the final result. My main function is organized in a way to show the structure of the program. First, it prints out the welcome message. Then I use while true to loop over the function. Then I have a function to get the input. Then if statement to exit out of the function. If I enter 0, I use break to exit out. Then a read file function to read and load the file. Then get stem function to separate the stems and leaves, and finally to plot the function, plot the stem leaf into this function. This is the function where I create and loop over the stem leaf plot. First, I loop over each stem in the stored list of stems. Then I sort the stems into ascending order with the sort function. Then I join or map each of the leaves to the appropriate stem using the dot join function. Then to the created result string, I print out or store the stems and leaves separately with the dash in between them. And finally, in the print result function, I print out the result. The data file is very friendly because all the data given are all in integers or the same data type. But if you want to confuse my program, you need to give mixed data types for the data.